Hi everybody, this is Dr. Nigel here from Living Tree Center for Healing. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're talking about body aches. So commonly people think symptoms are bad. So we take medication to try to relieve a symptom of some sort. But remember, is our body can talk to us if we listen. So if we have pain anywhere, for example, congestion, a fever, etc., remember, that's our body speaking to us. So if we medicate those symptoms away, we're actually going to be causing more problems. So imagine for a second you have a car and the oil light comes on. That's a symptom of your car. If you were to quickly get rid of that oil light on your dashboard and you kept on driving, you know that symptom of that car problem is going to get bigger and bigger. So when we have a symptom of any sort, whether it be back pain or neck pain or headaches or sinus congestion or a fever, is our job is to look at it and listen and say, hey, what is my body trying to tell me? Because when we simply erase the symptom with a medication of some sort, that problem has to get bigger. So what can we do to improve our body? Well, first we've got to ask a couple questions. We have to ask ourselves, is the symptom physical? So for example, if my knee hurts, you should be asking yourself, why is it hurting? Instead of medicating it, see, is there something physically going on with me? Or is that a spine-related problem or a problem with the pelvis? Or do I have congestion in my face? Do I have sinus pressure? Well, where's that sinus pressure coming from? Is it an allergy? That's something that can be addressed. Is it an infection? Or how about my diet? Has my diet been really bad? Have I been eating a lot more sugar, drinking more alcohol, eating more dairy? Those are all things that suppress our body's ability to heal, which can increase our likelihood for problems and symptoms. So asking yourself the question. Now, the next question we people have is stress and anxiety. Remember, in December, we're going to be talking about stress and anxiety and how to manage that during the holiday season. But when we feel tense and overwhelmed or have anxiety, we have to ask ourselves, how are we creating that? Are we taking on too much stuff? Are we saying yes to too many things? Are we taking on too many projects? Are we not getting enough rest? So those are all things that we want to ask ourselves. Symptoms are there to tell us when something is going wrong. And if you ask the question and you ask yourself, is it physical? Is it mental and emotional? Or is it nutritional, chemical, or hormonal? That'll give you directions on how to start to make some change. So when we see a patient in our office, that's what we're going to be doing, is looking at where are these components coming from and how do we start changing it so that you can get where you want to go instead of just managing symptoms. So thank you for your time today. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or call. Next week we're going to be talking about sinuses. This is a big year for sinus problems and a lot of people have many questions. Do I need antibiotics? What can I do to manage that? So we're going to be talking about and looking at ways to self-manage sinuses, how to prevent infections, and how to manage, if need be, with supplements at home. We'll see you then. Have a great day. Bye.